What's your name, ma'am? भूमिका. You're with? पंकज. भूमिका, बताओ किस बात पे लड़ते हो?
He honks too much on the road.
He honks too much on the road. But do you ever drive in Gurgaon? Everyone honks. If you will not honk, the other person behind you will honk. Eventually, you have
But
to
I
honk.
want him to be kind to
Huh?
people who are on the road.
क्या मैम?
I want
You want him to be kind to people on the road. Have you ever seen a Thar coming from behind? Little bit of tires outside the main body. Do you think it works on kindness in Gurgaon? No, it works on aggression only. What do you want him to do in Gurgaon? Don't you ever want to reach your destination? रास्ते पर गाड़ी धीरे चलाइए, सबको जाने दीजिए. क्या पता थार वाले को इमरजेंसी है, इसको जी टाउन पहुंचना है बहुत जल्दी, ठेका बंद हो जाएगा. क्या हुआ मैम? ऐसे अब इतना
spoils my peace also.
It spoils your peace also because oh my God, what lovely utopian world you're living in. You're looking for peace in Gurgaon. There is no peace in Gurgaon, man. There was peace in Manesar, but now there are buildings over there also. What do you want him to do, ma'am? Nobody drives without honking in Gurgaon. Even if Dalai Lama comes here, he'll also honk. You have to. What kind of peace do you want, ma'am? If I may ask.
Slow drives.
Slow drives on the roads of Gurgaon. It's generally a slow drive only. Why don't you leave your home after 5 p.m.? It will be the slowest drive of your life. You leave at 5 p.m. from Saibaram and you will reach Noida. You will reach Noida in 2027. Slow drives you're looking for in Gurgaon. मैम आपकी ज़िंदगी अच्छी रही है क्या बचपन से? ऐसा लग रहा है आपने ज़िंदगी में कठिनाइयाँ देखी नहीं है. आपको पता घर वालों ने कुछ खराब देखने नहीं दिया क्या? कहाँ से आए हो मैम? भूमिका?
I'm from Dehradun.
You're from Dehradun. Oh. Do you know that Delhi people have taken the peace away from Dehradun also now? There is no more peace left anywhere. Anything within the vicinity of Delhi, Punjab, there is no peace. All peace is gone. There is only music, Karan Aujla, which is there. Nice, ma'am, nice. And what does your man do? Sir, you are in army, if I am no regular human being. Okay.
He owns a startup.
Huh?
He has a startup.
He has a startup.
Yeah.
Do you really know? He has absolutely no peace in his life also. Because he doesn't know tomorrow never comes sometimes. What startup is this?
Android laptops.
भाई लोग टेक्नोलॉजी में आगे जाते हैं भाई. आप पीछे क्यों जा रहे हो? क्या करते हैं इसमें? क्या करते हो आप? असेंबल करते हो? क्या करते हो? असेंबल करते हो? नेहरू प्लेस में दुकान को स्टार्टअप बोल रहे हो? 4 चीजें लगी मिला दिया, स्टार्टअप बोल दिया.
It's a unique OS that they have.
It's a unique OS that they have made.
Yes, it's not an Android OS, it's a type of Android.
It's a type of Android OS. ठीक है, सही है मैम. क्या क्या झूठ बोलता है आपको, मैं तो ये समझ रहा हूँ. आप सबकी इंसान की सारी बातों में मान लेते हो क्या? All the you guys married or dating?
We're married.
Married. All the best. I hope you guys find peace in your life and your careers also, and sometimes on the roads also.